Are you Cyber Monday shopping? If you're not, you should. I've got another great product to highlight right now. This is the Homika Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. This is ideal for small office spaces, honestly, and I'm going to show you how I use it in my office setting. It's perfect. It doesn't take up too much space. It's lightweight. There's an LED light screen for it. Again, cordless. It's got 3 suctions to it. It's got some attachments that you might need to vacuum. It works on hardwood floors and it works on carpets. I'm going to show you. As I mentioned, it's perfect for small office spaces or small rooms. It's easily stored because it doesn't take up that much room. It's cordless. It's got great suction ability to it. I just demonstrated on my small office carpet how it works great. I've really enjoyed this. There's a great deal in the TikTok shop for it. I'm going to link it below like I always do. If you try it, let me know how you like it.